season and the Ad Council.
This is Michael Walker. Bloomberg 99.1 traffic and weather every 15 minutes. In the Washington area, multiple reversible roads are in holiday and weekend mode. So
You're listening to Bloomberg Opinion on Bloomberg Radio. I'm Janet Wu.
Hey, well, if you spend all this money and you get an Uber, you go to the airport.
Secret to hiring in this tight labor market. Plus, a personal playbook for combating inflation. But first, whether or not Donald Trump will run for president.
Noticeable drop in COVID cases in South Africa might mean until Omicron surge there has already passed its peak. Dr. Simone Wilds is an infectious disease physician at South Shore Health. She says
The $10 billion infrared observatory is taking the place of the Hubble Space Telescope in orbit since 1990. The telescope is the biggest and lowest cost global trading and turnkey custody solutions for all size firms. No ticket charges, no minimums, no custodial fees, and no conflicts of your interest at ivkr.com/RIA.
Bloomberg 99.1 traffic and weather every 15
An international dispute. But when disagreements arise, you need expertise at your side. Take a closer look at ICDR, the International Center for Dispute.
55th Street and 56th Street because of police activity. Also closures of 56th Street and Blaine Street because of the police activity. Accident working northbound New Hampshire Avenue at Oakview Drive in Adelphi. This accident way for accident activity. Right lane blocked because of long-term construction northbound Hungerford Drive in Rockville between Veers Mill Road and Monroe Place. Now to Bloomberg 99.1 3-day weather forecaster meteorologist Gary Best. Mostly cloudy tonight, lows 40 to 45. Tomorrow more clouds than sun, maybe a shower, high 60 to 65. Tomorrow night partly cloudy, lows.
Everybody in their own party likes Tom as leader. And a big part of what Trump did by spreading these lies about
Surge. President Biden's agenda heads into the new year. Speak with Brown University political scientist Wendy Schiller.
Bloomberg Daybreak, Monday morning at 5 on Bloomberg 99.1, 105.7 FM, HTG Baltimore, the Bloomberg Business app, and BloombergRadio.com.
Asset managers who sees change to launch new strategies and distribution channels or exploit new technology to re-engineer the investor experience are often rewarded.
be the tender this next time around. People act as though this is purely about his ego, and I'm sure that his ego has a lot to do with it.
other countries, other states, they've spun out of our academic institutions as well as our biotech and our pharma companies, and we expect that growth to continue long into the future. And NJIT is a pipeline for talent, for companies, for entrepreneurs to do that important work.
NJIT, New Jersey Institute of Technology. Learn more at njit.edu.
Bloomberg 99.1 traffic and weather every 15 minutes. Cleared away, no delays on the inner coming over from Indian Head Highway. There is an accident working in Adelphi. This affects northbound New Hampshire Avenue and Oakview Drive. Sunday, partial sunshine, highs 55 to 60. Partly cloudy in Washington, 48 degrees. Clear skies and 48 degrees in Vienna. In Berlin, clear skies and 44.
That Democratic leaders are